this is Saranya Shechalla. Today we are going to discuss about computer networks. Let us get into the topic. Computer networks. We have to know what is meant by network and what is the purpose of the network, why we need network nowadays. Okay, so coming to the network. Network is used to send the data from one device to the another device. Network is used to send the data from one device to the another device. Why we need a network nowadays? Network plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. By using this network, we are performing different type of operations. Nothing but an online applications, online banking, online transactions, online exams, so on. So we are performing these different type of applications by using a network. So what is the main aim of network? I already said the main aim of network is to share the resources data from one device to the another device through the network. The main aim of the network is user to share the data, information, resources from one device to the another device through the network. Let us see the difference between network and computer network. I already said what is meant by network. Coming to the computer network. A computer network is a group of autonomous computers, or we can say set of independent devices. Okay, a computer network is a group of autonomous computers, or we can say that set of independent devices that connected through the links. That connected through the links. These links called transmission media. These links called transmission media. By using this transmission media, we can share our data, resources, applications from one system to the another system, and we can sending and receiving the data by using transmission media, or we can sending or receiving the data by using transmission media. To achieve this, the computer network uses the distributed processing. What is meant by distributed processing? So I will show the diagram what is meant by the distributed processing, how the computer network achieve that this goal means to share the resources among many devices in the network. So distributed processing. See, so I am taking three systems here. Okay, so I am taking three systems here. I am connecting each and every system by using an transmission media, nothing but an cables or connectors. Okay, I'm connecting each and every system to the transmission media. So it will act as one type of network. It will act as, we can say this is one type of network. Okay, so we are talking about the distributed processing. Here, distributed processing means if I have a one application, this is one application or one data. So this application can be divided, or this task can be divided into subtasks. This task can be divided into subtask. So each subtask will be assigned to the system, every system that connected to the network. Okay, So each subtask will be assigned to the system that connected to the network. This is called distributed processing. In simple words, we can say the distributed processing means divide the entire task into subtasks that will be distributed among number of devices that connected to the network. Okay, by using this distributed processing, the computer network reaches or achieve their goal. Next, so to form one type of network, we need both hardware and software. Here also, to form a computer network, we need a network hardware as well as network software. Why I call this network hardware and network software means to form one type of network. To form one type of network, we use this type of hardware and software. So for that sake, I'm calling this is an network hardware and network software. Let us coming to the network hardware. What is meant by network hardware? Network hardware is a set of physical or network devices. See, this is a set of means number of physical devices. Set of physical or network devices that are essential for interaction and communication between hardware units. Means here the network hardware means it is a group of or a set of physical or network devices that provides communication from one network device to another network device. That provide communication from one network device to the another networks to perform one specific operation on a computer network. To perform one specific operation in a computer network. Okay, the network hardware plays a key role in industries grow as it supports scalability also. So we can easily add a hardware to the network as well as we can remove the hardware from the network. Okay, what are the different type of network hardware devices we need to form a computer network? See, so these are the network hardware devices, or we can call it as components of computer network. Components of computer network. Let us see what are the different type of components we have in computer network. NIC, hub, switch, cables, router, modem. These are the different type of hardware devices we use generally in the network. So, see the each and every network device functionality. NIC, Network Interface Card. So, what is the purpose of NIC? NIC is a device that helps the computer to communicate with another device. To communicate with another device. So here the network interface card act as a mediator between network and the user. Means nothing but one computer, one device. So it helps the computer to communicate with another device. By using this NIC, we can communicate from one device to the another device. Okay. And also the network card contains a hardware address. Hardware address means, see, each and every system in the network maintains a two type of addresses. Nothing but an IP address and hardware address. Okay, so I will show you in the diagram what is meant by network IP address and hardware address. So here I am forming one type of network that each and every system I am connecting here. Okay, I'm connecting each and every system by an transmission media, nothing but an cables or connectors. So this is one type of network. So this is one type of network. I'm giving one structure here. One type of network. So in this each system has two type of addresses, IP address, IP address and hardware address. Okay, so IP address means to communicate data through the network. To communicate data through the network, we need an IP address. Hardware address. Hardware. What is the importance of hardware address means you can uniquely identify each and every device in the network. So each and every system has one unique address that we can say that is an hardware address. See, I am giving a number for each and every device 11, 12, 13. This will be considered as the hardware address. So by using this address, each and every device in the network that is uniquely identified to communicate from one device to the another device. So that is the purpose of network interface card. That is the purpose of network interface card, to send the information from one device to the another device. Okay, correct destination, I mean we can say that from correct source to correct destination it can transfer the data. And next hardware device is hub. So hub is a central device, or we can call it as central controller. So central control device, by using this hub we can connect different type of systems. The hub will act as a mediator to communicate from one device to the another device. See how the hub will be connect. So I am preparing one type of network here by using an hub. This is an hub. It contains ports to connect each and every system to the hub. Minimum 4 ports. Okay, I am connecting each and every device to this hub, to that port in the hub. Okay, this is an hub architecture. We can call it as hub architecture. By using hub, we connect four systems. If I want to communicate data from source to destination, this is an source. I'm taking an example. This is an source system, and this is an destination. I want to send the data to the destination. This type system A. I'm naming to each and every system here B, C, D. I want to send the data from A system to the D system. So how it will be communicate? So this particular information received by the hub, and that will be sent to the particular destination of D device. Okay, so while communicate data between two systems, the hub will act as a mediator between these two systems. By using hub only, we can send and receive the information from one source to destination. As well as, here see the diagram which contains 4 port address. This is an hub. Next, switch. Switch is also a communication device. Will act as a central controller. By replacing hub, we are using nowadays switches. So why we are using switches? A switch is better than hub as it does not have broadcast the message. What is meant by broadcast? Broadcasting means if I want to communicate data from one system to another system, okay, the data will be between only those systems. While coming to the hub, while communicating data in the network, which other systems connected to the hub, the message, that particular data will be received by all other systems that connected to particular hub. That is the disadvantage. So for this sake, to provide a security for our data, so we replace switch in the place of hub. Okay, so there is no broadcasting. Broadcasting means, if one message will be delivered to a particular destination, okay, which all devices connected to the network that will also accept this particular data. So this is, there is no security provide for our data in the network. So to provide security, we replace the switch in the place of hub. Okay, next, cables and connectors. Cables plays a very important role in an computer network, because by using these cables only we can transmit the data. There is a possibility we can transmit the data. So by we are using a three type of cables here: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. Twisted pair cable, for most of the network, for LAN connections, we are using a twisted pair cable, and we also have a different type of categories in twisted pair cable. Later classes we will discuss about this twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. So coaxial cable is used for an TV installation, for television, and fiber optic cable is a very high speed transmission media. Okay, it is very expensive. At government level we use this fiber optic cable. So what main advantage of fiber optic cable is, it is resistance of electromagnetic interference. It completely eliminates the EMI. Electromagnetic interference means, so while transmitting the electric signals through the wire, there is a chance for noise and disturbance. It will remove in the fiber optic cable. And next, router. The router is a device that connects LAN to the internet. See, by using this router, mainly we can perform two type of operations. Means we can connect two distinct networks by using router, as well as we can connect multiple computers to the internet. There are two possibilities we use by using this particular hardware device. We can connect two distinct networks, as well as we can connect multiple computers to the internet. See, for example, in at our home we are giving an LAN connection, we are using a router. Through the router we are getting Wi-Fi. But Wi-Fi technology, this Wi-Fi technology we can access by laptop, tab, mobile phone, any electronic device we can access internet. So that is a very useful thing by of router. Modem. So modem connects the computer to the internet over the existing telephone line. So I will show in the diagram how the modem works, how it will convert, how we can communicate data from one system to the another system through the telephone line. Okay, so let us see the diagram here. Okay, so this is one device, and we have also another remote device. In between, I'm inserting modem. Okay, this is the sender, and this is the receiver, and we have a telephone connection here for each device. Connect to the telephone. So here we are transmitting the data. I'm transmitting data in the form of ones and zeros. While coming to the modem, it will be converted into analog format. So while we are receiving the analog format, then it will be converted into digital format. Okay. So in this diagram, I'm showing that each and every device that connected to the telephone lines. So here, the modem will act as modulator and demodulator. What is meant by modulator, demodulator means it converts the digital data into analog signal over the telephone line, as well as analog signal into digital data by using an telephone lines. See, the modem is one of the hardware device that connects the computer to the internet over the existing telephone lines. By using these telephone lines, we can convert the digital data into analog signal into digital data. Okay, so the basic example of modem is BSNL connection. And next, network software. So these previous these are the different type of network hardware devices. And next we have a network software. So network software is defined as a wide range of software. Okay, it plays a very important role in the computer network. So it is used for design, monitoring and implementation of computer networks. Design, monitoring and implementation of computer network, as well as managing the network infrastructure. As well as managing the network infrastructure. Okay, so uh, network software also helps the administrator and security personnel to reduce network complexities and manage, monitor, and better control network traffic. So, by using this network software, the administrator can control, can manage, can monitor the users as well as the network traffic. So, we have a different type of functionalities of network software here. So what are the functionalities of network software? User management, file management, access, network security systems. User management. User management allows administrators to add or remove users from the network. This is particularly useful when hiring or relieving. This means there are number of users connected to a particular network, and the users relieving from the network also. The particular administrator have to manage these users, many users in the network. As well as file management, we have a different type of files, nothing but text files, audio files, video files, some images, photos, whatever it may be. So this administrator uh, take a different type of different storage locations for each and every file. Text file will be put in one storage, video files will be put in one storage, as well as audio file put in one storage, and this will be combined as a one database. Okay, so that is an file management. Access. Access enables users to enjoy uninterrupted access to network resources. So many member of users want to access a lot of network resources. We have to provide the type of resources to the users from the network. Okay, the network will give permission to the users to access that particular type of resources. Network security systems. Network security systems means to provide security for our data, to provide security for our storage data also. What we are communicating data from one device to the another device to the network, we have to provide security for that, as well as what are the data we are storing by using this network. We have to provide security for that type of data also. These are the functionalities of network software. Okay, in this video we discuss about what is meant by network and what is meant by computer network, and what are the functionality, what are the different type of network hardware devices, and what is meant by network software, and what are the functionalities of network software we discussed in this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe Easy BTech, and we'll discuss remaining topics in later classes. Thank you.